Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, and that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's movement, updates need to be made, and just a brutal day, a pretty cruel day. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the day started off nicely, I mean, extremely nice bounce. And then not only did that bounce roll over, it literally rolled back over and gave back all of the gains and closed almost at the low of the day. So a very disappointing day, and to me that really symbolizes just how much selling pressure and how much bearishness is in the stock, where when there was nice movement to the upside, people, their eyes lit up and they thought, I'm getting out of this. See you later. And of course, now you had traders in there too that were looking for a bounce. But any sort of, when a bounce like this gets absolutely crushed to the downside, that is just a huge sign of bearishness, that people were just seeking any sort of opportunity at all to get out of the position. And of course, that led to definitely some panic as things continue to fall further and further. But overall, like I said, a disappointing day. And if anything, a confirmation day. What do I mean by confirmation? Well, confirmation that this area that I've talked about in past videos at $1.65 truly is a level of resistance, where now that is the second day in a row where, after the bounce, right up around that general area where the price got rejected from. And in the near term, though, and this update comes about based on a foundational rule and chart in which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. But $1.55, now that very near-term area. So if there is any sort of attempted turnaround, $1.55 going to be that first key level that needs to be broken. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there, because what's going to happen is this purple line is going to eventually catch up to things, the purple line being the 50-period moving average. So as the week plays out, that line will move itself downwards and get more and more relevant. So $1.55, near-term area of resistance. And then after that, keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period. As far as levels of support, nothing fancy here. The bleeding stopped early this morning at $1.52. So $1.52 is going to be the key level for that reason and that reason alone. But yeah, very bearish. And we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. But overall, there's definitely a whole lot of selling pressure involved in this one right now. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.